Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you our teammates, those who play with me. As you can see behind me, they're actually practicing. As you can see, they're practicing. We've been waiting for a long time to play this important match. This is our semi-final match. However, it's been raining cats and dogs for a couple of days. That's why we couldn't play. And fortunately today the weather is really good. Have a look at the sky. The weather is really good. It's perfect to play our semi-final match. That's why we have come here. And please pray for us so that we can win and we can give the spectators a wonderful and fantastic match. So today in this video, I'm gonna introduce our teammates. Okay, let me introduce them. As you can see, the sponsor of our team, is a big fan of Man City. As you can see, Man City. So as you can see, have a look at them. They all are our teammates. They play with me, and in our team, I'm the icon and I'm the captain. As you can see, okay, let me introduce one by one. His name is Zangi, jersey number 21. He's a defender, very fantastic, and he plays very well. And yeah, I'm proud of him. And as you can see over there, another Zangi. Oh my God! In our team, there are two Zangi. As you can see, there are two Zangi. Another one is here. He's the striker of our team, and he plays really incredible. And I like him because his passing style, dribbling style, everything is really great and ineffable. So over there, as you can see, his name is Junai. Junai. He's the defender. He's the defender of our team. And over there, the taller man is really taller than me. His name is Akash. He's a midfielder of our team. He's really good player. And, I appreciate him that he can play very well. And this is really good. And I'm really, really proud of him because he has scored he has scored so many times and he plays very well in every single match. He has scored. That's why I like him. And over there, red color pant, wearing red color pant. His name is Ayas, as you can see, another striker. However, sometimes he play midfielder as a midfielder, and he dribbles very smoothly. And over there, jersey number 2020, 22. His name is mine. Oh my God, my little brother. He plays very well. I can't believe it that in this age he can play very well. I can't believe it. So have a look at them. They're practicing. However, I'm making video and I'm trying to show you our teammates, those who play with me. And today, this is really important match. And we are going to play our semi-final match today after a long time. The weather is really good. That's why today it's our semi-final match. And over there, as you can see, that is our football field. Actually, that field is muddy because it's been raining for a couple of days. That's why it's muddy. However, today the weather is good. That's why those who announced this tournament, they called us that you have to play today because the weather is really good and it's rainy season is going on. That's why anytime it can rain. So have a look at them. Actually, they have come here to watch our important match. As you can see, they are really spectators. They are spectators, and with spectators we can play very well. And they always encourage us to score and to play very well in our match during playing. So dear brothers and sisters, the weather is really good and it's really shine. That's why I can't even open my eyes. As you can see.